Hello guys, and welcome to this video where I'm going to be showing you how to make an image transparent on Canva. So let me just delete all of this to give you a better understanding. So you have come to a place. So let me just start from beginning. You can search for anything you want to search for, or anything you want to create on Canva. And once you've selected, or you can select any of the social media photo editor or the templates. So let's assume we've chosen our templates. We can edit them. Let's choose a photo here. We can upload a picture here and then edit it to fit or suit our purpose. Then you can remove the background by clicking on this remove background. You see that the background is gone completely. That means it has defeated the purpose of our invisibility or visibility. We want it to be less visible. So what you have to do is to click on this edit icon here. Now it will bring you to a page where you can choose tools. So go to the Magic Studio section. You would see BG remover, background generator, magic eraser. Now magic grab is the tool we are going for. We can grab text if it's a text document and you want to separate the text from the image itself, or you can also choose on magic expand if you want to convert it or add more background or more picture detail to the picture you have already. But since this is what we want a less visible background, so click on the magic grab and grab all the images, all the items on the image that you want to edit or have. So once you've done that, click on grab and wait for the AI to do its work. Now we can see that it has been the image, the object has been separated from the image itself. Now we can go to this background and select it. Then you see on the menu here, we look for transparency here and click on it. Then you can reduce the transparency to whatever degree or level we want. So let's reduce it to like maybe say 40%. Let me see how it turns out. 40. Okay. Then we can take back our image here, and that is how to reduce the it should appear this way. This is how to reduce the visibility of our background or make our image less transparent. Okay, now can also reduce the transparency of this by clicking on the image and click on transparency. And so that is how to reduce the transparency. If you've enjoyed this video guys, let me know what you think about it in the comment section. I'll see you in the next one.